Here's a comprehensive guide to help you get started. Hello beginners for a YouTube channel. Starting a YouTube channel involves several steps, from planning your content to setting up your channel and promoting it. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you get started. Step number 1, planning your channel. Define your niche. What is your passion? What you love to do or what you enjoy talking about? In this channel, I focus about lifestyle, traveling. Now I'm starting with YouTube tutorials because also promoting your channel and talk about YouTube, it also help you bring you to get found and search social media or in YouTube. So define your niche, what you love to do, you want to create. Determine what content. Define your niche, what you like to do, what is your passions, what you enjoy talking. Do you like cooking, cutting grass, writing, drawing, coloring, arts, technology? What is your passion? What you love to do? What you are craving for to make you feel excited? Focus on one niche and you will be good to go. Second is research. Look at other successful channels, inspired, understand what works and what doesn't. This is all a learning process for everyone who is beginning in YouTube journey. Step number 3, customize your channel. Create a channel banner that reflects your brand. Use a high quality profile picture, and in your about sections you're going to write everything what your YouTube channel is about that will attract your potential subscribers to your channel. Or creating content, finally creating content. What is your content about? You planned already, you already set up your YouTube channel, and now we are going to create content. So what we need to create content for the equipment, camera, microphone, lighting, background, but for the basic camera, phone, lighting. So if you have this, get started. Content planning. This is also make you organize when you want to create YouTube videos for your channel. Plan your videos in advance. Script your content to secure clarity. Recording. Ensure good lighting, but that depends what you're interested about. Maybe if you want to go for hunting, for ghosts, you don't need much lighting. But if you need to sitting down and talk for anything, then you need some lighting to get clarity and entertain and get attention from your viewers. Editing. I use InShot, Canva. Check them out. They are very good. They have good selections and tools there. I subscribe for the Pro, which they offer much wider options. You don't have to pay for it. They have also free, gives you also a lot of options for free version. Edit your videos to remove unnecessary parts, add transitions, music, and many other effects. Step number 4, upload your YouTube video. How to upload your YouTube video? It's very easy. To upload your YouTube video, go here on the top right corner. There is here create, and then there's a selection upload video. Go and then select file, and you're good to go, and follow all the prompts after that. They will guide you always. Create a catchy and relevant title. Write a detailed descriptions for your YouTube video, what it is about. Don't forget the keywords. Use tags that will help you search in YouTube video. Design a custom thumbnail. Thumbnail plays a significant role in your YouTube video, simply to attract viewers. Step number 5, promotion and growth. Here we are. You must have a social media. If you don't have a social media, create one. Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Twitter, and so much more. Have one of those, or have as many as you can. Uploaded video from YouTube to all the social media. Promote them, share them, let the world know what your YouTube video about, that you have this video uploaded just now. Hey, stay motivated. Don't give up. Keep going. We can do this. Engage with your audience. How to engage with your audience? Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and build a community. Work with other YouTubers. That will help you also grow your YouTube channel. If you know someone or ready to work with you, go for it. Upload video regularly to keep your audience engaged. And also to know that, hey, I'm still here and here is my next video. So to get monetized, you need 1,000 subscribers, also 4,000 watch hours, and you will be monetized, and your video will have a ads that is being paid by YouTube. To earn more in YouTube, Consider affiliate marketing, sponsored content, merchandise, and memberships. So much options. Choose what you like and comfortable doing and enjoy making. So much things to cover up. I will put the link in the description box below. Tips for success. Everyone wants success. Focus on creating high quality content. By following the steps and staying consistent, you can successfully start and grow your YouTube channel. And that's basically it. Keep this guide in handy as you begin your YouTube journey. Best of luck, and remember, the YouTube community is here to support you every step of the way. I make videos like this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow for more. See you. Bye.